What is going on, guys? This is Titan, AKT, if you're only following me on social media and not within the Discord group. In this video, I'm going to go over my thoughts on the stock market this week. Do I think it's going to be bullish week? Do I think it's going to be a bearish week? Also, I'm going to go over my top 2 stock plays that I am going to be looking at this week. So, if you're interested in that kind of content, if you like this content, it is free to hit that like button. It costs you absolutely nothing. Show support to the channel, comment below your thoughts on the stock market, subscribe if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's get right to it. Point plain and simple, I'm bullish on the market, all right? I am bullish on the market. I think it's going to take off this week. We have like very big earnings reports this week, so I do think we are going to see a bullish market. Not only that, but look at the SPY. Okay, so we got a retracement here and we got a nice clean bounce here. Okay, we got a nice, very clean bounce off this trend line. Oh, what was that about? We got a nice clean bounce off this trend line right here. So I am bullish on the market this week. Now, I'm not gonna say tomorrow, right away is gonna take off or anything crazy, but I am bullish so far on the market this week. We clearly got this candle taking over this red candle here, and let's look at the shorter time frames. All right, where is not weekly, 4-hour chart. So as you can see on the 4-hour chart, we got the MACD crossover. We got a good buying volume here as well. Pretty much no volume here, but it was a Friday, so that's to be expected. Let's look at a shorter time frame. Same thing, MACD very, very nice to the upside. MACD crossed over to the upside. So I am bullish on the market this week as far as the SPY goes, okay? So, the top 2 stocks. The first stock we're going to go over is Starbucks. Or not. I just spelled Star Buick, I think. Starbucks. I am liking what I'm seeing on Starbucks so far. Let's look at it. All right. So as far as Starbucks, we are at an important zone right here. We are at a very important support level right here. As you can see, the MACD is losing weakness to the downside, and yeah, we're losing weakness to the downside, and I think it's going to be ready to cross over soon. But as you guys can see, this is a very strong support zone, so I would not be surprised if this hold. So look for a possible entry. Even now is a good entry. Look for that entry of 110, around that 110. If it breaks below, I would say if it breaks below 104, if you want to do a trade on it, I would say if it breaks below 104, then you might want to get out of it, okay? But overall, if you're looking to invest into Starbucks, I think that is a good entry price to invest at. Not only that, but look at this. Look how strong the support level is here, right? So there we go. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, we just kept bouncing off of it here. So 1, 2, 3, and we're heading back down there. So before you potentially take this trade, just be sure that 110 level holds before you get into it, okay? Overall, Starbucks is a long-term, good investment. I recommend it. Am I personally invested to do it? No, but I'm not a financial advisor, so it is completely up to you if you want to get into Starbucks. Now, if Starbucks, again, don't jump right into this right away because Mondays are tricky. So you want to wait to see how Monday turns out. But if Starbucks heads down to that 95, okay, right around here. So let's try to get over there. So if Starbucks heads down to the previous lows, towards that 95 level, 96, 97, then I would definitely be looking to get in on a play on Starbucks for a long-term move. I would hope for that move, but just watch that 110 level more than anything, and then if that 110 level breaks, actually if that 104 level breaks, then you might be ready for that 95, okay? So look for 110 break, 104 break, 100 break, because that is a psychological level, and then go from there, okay? However, so I think Starbucks can potentially hold here, But again, the MACD is pointing down. However, it has not officially crossed over. So that's what I'm looking at. If you guys like, I know somebody looking at it like, what, the MACD's crossing, looking facing down. But if we look on the 4-hour chart, the MACD is starting to curve. Okay, it started to curve towards the upside. All right, just a little bit, not nothing, you know, to get crazy about, but just be on the lookout for that. And then if we look at the 2-hour chart, the MACD is already crossed over, guys. So that is a bullish sign. That means that Starbucks could potentially be respecting this 110 level, and we could see a move up. The hourly chart, same thing. MACD is pointing straight up. Okay, right around here, MACD is pointing straight up. Only thing here is that we need some volume to confirm that this is an official bullish move. That's what I look for. I like to look for that volume. Okay, so look at Starbucks, check it out, see how it reacts to that 110 level, or if it even gets down to that 110 level, it may not, it may just keep going because it is currently at another support level. So Starbucks is a slow mover, so you got to be patient with it. If you're going to do a trade on it, I recommend long term, a much longer out play, maybe somewhere around next year. Okay, next one is Zoom. I really like Zoom here. It looks great. If we look at the weekly chart, I mean, look at this. Boom, boom. I mean, what more can you ask for right here? Zoom is looking really good. We came all the way from 588. 588. That is a 50%, over a 50% move to the downside. So Zoom is looking really good here. I'm actually going to look for a play on it myself. Look for some contracts on it for myself because it is looking really good. Okay, so as you can see on Zoom, we're at a very strong, this is the weekly chart too, so we're at a very nice support zone here. And if we look at, let's look at the daily chart. So the only thing that is really just that's really got me bothered is the MACD. But again, the MACD is showing weakness, and not only that, the MACD is showing weakness towards the downside, so that means it could potentially start curving to the upside. Not only that, but we got a bunch of buyers that stepped in on Friday. I mean, this is just pure buying power down here. All right, so yeah, if we look at the 4-hour, the MACD has already crossed over to the upside. We got a bullish engulfing pattern here. This candle completely annihilated this candle, so that's just showing me that buyers are stepping in and have stepped in on Zoom. Let's look at one more chart, the hourly chart. Same thing, MACD is already pointing to the upside. However, it is showing a little bit of weakness. If anything, I would want to get into Zoom around 250 if we can retest that low 250s level, but you know, we'll see. I think it's going to pull one of those moves if it hasn't already during after hours or pre-market hours, because we got a lot of selling pressure here as well. But like right around here, this is all buyers. This is just nothing but buying power. So I do think Zoom is really good for the long term, guys. Really good. I mean, it looks great. This candle here took over this candle. We're at a strong support zone. If we can get that retest to 250, that would be great. But overall, even if it doesn't, I think Zoom is a good play for the long term. I forgot to even mention this. I mean, look, we got nothing but space and opportunity here. All the way towards 340. Nothing but space and opportunity here. Okay, so all the way to 340. So if you're gonna do a play on Zoom, definitely look for a long play out. Long play. Okay, look for that move on Zoom. Okay, I think this is going to be a good play. I'm actually probably going to signal this play if I can find some decent contracts on it, and we're going to go from there. I think Zoom is very good. So keep in mind, Zoom is more expensive than Starbucks. Most likely the contracts are more expensive than Starbucks. Okay, so Starbucks is kind of that play that kind of, you know, you can make something out of it, but Zoom is the big play. This is the play I really like. Okay, this is the play I really like, and I'm definitely going to be looking to signal Zoom within this week, most likely tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, Tesla, because you know members keep making money off Tesla, so I'm gonna talk about Tesla. All right. So I am bullish on Tesla. I am bullish on Tesla heading into this week. I mean, we know Elon is selling his shares, but it's just not doing much. I think he's just selling here and there, but once he sells all his shares is when I think Tesla is done. However, if we look here, we got the MACD pointing straight down for Tesla. It's not looking strong for the long term, but tomorrow I think if we can, like, if we hold this 1,000 level, not even 1,000, yeah, actually it is 1,000. Yeah, okay. So if we can hold this 1,000 level, then I think we're solid for Tesla. I think we are very solid for Tesla. Now, a good buying point for Tesla would be 950, between 850 and 950. That, if you want to invest into Tesla, those are good buying points for Tesla if we ever get that. Okay, but you know, these buyers are just buying and buying and buying every dip they can get. But as you guys can see, that 1,000 level, very strong. And it looks like we can potentially head back down there, and then we can see how Tesla reacts. So let's draw it out. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so 1, 2, it just keeps bouncing off here. It just bounced off here twice so far. So let's see how it looks like it wants to head there again, and we can see how it reacts. Okay, so don't rush it Monday. Get a feel for how the market is going to look like. You know, I can be completely wrong. I'm not an oracle. I can't tell the future. This is all a technical analysis. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. Keep that in mind. I do think Tesla could potentially make one more move this week, and then from there we'll see how it goes. Okay, but otherwise it is showing, you know, there's nothing bullish as far as indicators go. There's nothing super bullish I see right now. There's not big candles or anything. There's nothing super that just makes me like, oh yeah, definitely go in. You know, play it out Monday. Okay, Mondays can be tricky, and yeah, so that's about it, guys. So hopefully you got something out this video. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment your thoughts on the market below. If you want stock signals, crypto signals, you want to know what we're investing in within our group, description to the Discord Discord link is down below in order to join us. That way you can get signals on what stocks I'm investing in, what crypto we're investing in, all that stuff sent straight to your phone. And yeah, I believe that's it. Also, we have courses, so there will be websites listed below on NFTs, crypto, technical analysis, stocks, all that fun stuff. So if you're interested in actually learning, we have courses down below as well. Check it out. All right. Other than that, that's all I got, guys. And until the next video, see you guys next time. Peace.